I noticed you guys have a sign on your dumpster that says no loitering, police enforced. We've got a female out here that feels the need to film our traffic stops today. I'd consider her loitering in the parking lot. Would you?
I'm sorry, can you repeat that?
She is filming our traffic stops, loitering out here. Would you consider that loitering?
Yeah.
Would you like for me to handle it?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. You would think, man. Hey, man. If you'll notice over here on the dumpster, they have a no loitering sign. So if you don't,
loitering sign?
Mhm.
Well, the owner hasn't asked me to leave.
I just spoke with them.
Did you go in to ask him?
I just spoke with them because you're loitering.
You're
loitering. You're not buying any of the merchandise.
You went in there
I spoke with them
asked me to leave.
and asked them if they would like for me to address this. I'm Officer Brown, badge number
You
394.
went in there
Okay.
to solicit a
So listen.
trespass. You went in
Either
there
way.
and solicited a trespass.
They have a no loitering sign.
They
You're
didn't ask
loitering.
me to leave.
I'm doing
you
it for
didn't
them.
like it. You didn't like what I was doing. So you
You need to leave,
solicited a
okay?
trespass.
If you're not buying merchandise, if you're not buying merchandise,
Public easement, and I'll be fine.
is this your vehicle over here?
Trespass, well, it's not from anybody.
Is this your vehicle over here? Is this your vehicle? Okay, we'll have it towed then. Right now?
Yeah, right now.
Okay. 612 City. Can we get a supervisor now at this location? I'd really stand in the grass. Don't get in the road.
I think I can stand okay.
Yeah, I didn't want you to get in the roadway.
I know you're worried about my safety.
I am. Yeah. Can I ask what your
Safety, Officer Brown, this is really sweet of you.
Can I ask what your agenda is for
What
this?
is your agenda for messing with me when I was bothering nobody? I said nothing to you. I was 50 feet away from you.
It's out of the normal for people to
You're
video.
not normal for going in and soliciting trespass.
No, I'm really not.
I'm not bothering you.
There's a sign right
I never
there.
said a word to you, did I?
There's a sign right there.
I didn't.
Okay.
No one asked me to leave.
They did
I
actually.
don't know if I'm a customer here or not. You don't know what I'm doing.
You're loitering.
No, I'm not doing anything. Nobody's asked me to go anywhere. You
I'm just-
bothering me.
Okay, regardless.
You're harassing a photographer.
No, I'm not.
You're doing.
I'm just asking what your agenda is.
You could have asked me nicely, and I would have told you what I was doing.
Okay, I'm asking you now.
It's a little late now when you try to solicit a trespass and threaten to tow a car.
So why can't
We're
you?
gonna be friends now.
I don't want to be your friend.
Exactly.
I'm just trying to figure out what you're doing
We're
because,
not friends.
well, the thing is,
You don't even need to talk to me because I'm not going to answer your questions. I have nothing to say to you. Officer Taylor.
that's not my name.
What is it?
Officer Brown.
Brown?
Mhm.
Brown.
Do you have like a YouTube channel or something or what?
Well, did you want to be a star on it today?
I doubt I'm going to be a star, but if you make me a star, that'd be great.
I bet you will be a star.
Okay.
With all that charm you got going on. Trying to solicit trespassing, harassing a photographer on private property, someone who's never spoken to you or him or bothered anybody. I haven't bothered anybody in the store. You're harassing me. You could have asked me what I was doing. I would have told you dead up what I was doing.
Okay.
But instead, you want to be confrontational and try to assert authority over somebody standing on private property who's bothered nobody, except you don't like me being there.
You're loitering though.
Now, I'm standing here waiting on your supervisor.
You were loitering.
If they had a problem with me, they should say something to me, then say something to you.
So
you are soliciting.
that's the thing though. That's why they posted a sign.
Against me having a camera.
That's why they posted.
You're retaliating.
Can I speak?
No, I don't want to hear what you have to say.
Okay, well, they posted a sign
I don't want to hear what you have to say.
that says no
I
loitering.
don't care what you have to say.
I know.
I'll talk to your supervisor.
Okay.
I see who you are.
Who am I?
I'm more of a lady than that.
I mean, I haven't disrespected you in any way.
You're disrespecting me by bothering me at all. Trying to solicit it.
You're the one that's...
Because you didn't have the balls to ask me why I was filming, so you wanted to fuck with me instead.
Could you not use that kind of language? I mean, I'm sure there's kids that's going to watch this video if you put it on YouTube.
All these people around, I know you're sensitive.
No, I didn't say that.
Yeah, you're sensitive.
I'm worried about the kids on YouTube.
Leave me alone.
I'm just trying to figure out what you're doing, because if you're going to continue doing this, that way I can understand.
You could have said, hey man.
Can he do that at this point?
What?
Can he do that at this point? Can he ask you what you're doing?
If you want to come up and engage with me, I'll talk to you very nicely.
Can you come talk to me?
Huh?
I want to be away from the road. I'm a big fan of not getting hit by a car. Okay. What's going on?
What is your name?
Officer Aaron. Number 424.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. Hey, let me ask you this. Okay?
Yeah.
What's going on? All right, this flight is important. It's not a big deal. We don't care.
Were y'all the same people? It was coincidence. I couldn't tell if that was the same person or not. I take pictures of government officials when they are in public in the course of their duties. I also take video and pictures of government property and buildings.
Okay.
That's what I do for a living.
For what reason?
That's what I do. It's something I do. I spread the word that this is part of the First Amendment, and it holds police officers accountable for their actions.
Yeah, that's what these are for.
I'm not talking to you.
Oh, you're looking at me?
At you.
Okay, well, if you're going to talk at me, you're going to talk to me.
No. I'm not going to give you my personal information. You shouldn't have bothered me. I'm just engaged in a First Amendment protected activity, watching what our employees do. I wasn't bothered.
That's fine.
But
I
if you would ask me,
I have a lot of questions.
This is nice to you.
I'll have a lot of questions, and I'd like for us to start over.
It's very difficult at this point because you started out by trying to solicitate a crime.
No.
Hey, making me leave.
So listen to me. Can I explain though? Can I explain?
Go ahead.
Can I explain?
You
Okay.
You didn't like it.
Well, no, I didn't.
feel threatened.
That's
What's
true.
you gonna say?
I don't feel threatened by any means.
Yeah.
But the truth is, I went in there to get you off the property because you're filming our traffic stops. I don't like that because it's not normal, okay?
Let me say.
The first time you did it earlier, you were way too close, okay? Yes, you were. That's why I asked you to back up.
I was 20 feet back already.
What?
I was already 20 feet from you.
I don't think there's a law on it, but the thing is,
There's not.
you're too close, okay?
No.
So we're trying to watch people in the vehicle. We don't know who we're...
Did I move?
Are you going to let me talk?
Did I move?
Yes, you did, and I appreciate
I
that.
respect you.
But I'm trying to figure out now why you're doing this, because if you're going to continue to do it, that's fine. I just want to understand why you're doing it. So I don't have to worry about you pulling a gun on me or something like that.
You say,
right?
This is the second time I have filmed you, so you didn't like it, so you went in there asking them about it because you didn't like that I was doing it.
No, I don't. It's not normal.
Ask me why. I could.
Okay, I'm asking you now, though. I'm asking you now.
Did you hear me trying to explain to him?
Yeah.
It's a
Who do you work for?
Protected activity.
Who do you work for?
I work for myself. I'm an independent journalist.
Okay.
And I gather matters of interest.
So who all do you film? You said you film government officials. What other type of officials do you film?
Any government official.
So you film them all. You film
anybody.
Mayors, governors,
anybody.
State representatives. Yeah. You film them all.
Those people are respectful. But people like you.
How was I disrespectful?
Because you tried to solicit a trespass because you didn't like me being there.
Because I don't know what you're up to.
You did. You could have asked me what I was up to, or you could have said maybe.
I highly doubt it would have went that way.
To the public watching what you're doing because you're.
They are. They're all watching us. Okay.
Stop.
We're just talking.
Just tell me what you need.
Okay. All right. Let me take a breath. Okay. Now, please have your name listed.
I think so. It's horrible.
That's tough. Okay.
She picked it, so.
Okay, earlier today, I was up at the jail. I filmed around the jail. While I was there, they happened to pull someone over. So I was approximately, in my opinion, 20 feet from them.
Yeah,
Man,
so
you need to
no
get
more than
back,
that.
start the scene.
Let's
You
let her
need to
get out of town or
which
something.
Put me about 5 feet back. I said, okay. I'm just telling you what got us here. I went back to about 35 feet back. It's all on camera at your place, so you can see it there. I didn't engage. I asked him his name, his employee number, and he wouldn't give it to me then. And then they left. But that's policy, Toy. You failed on policy. I'm not talking to you. So I drove down through here and I saw, oh, there's a traffic stop. I need to get some cigarettes and stuff to drink anyway. So I'm going to stop and I'm going to see if anything interesting goes on. I have a First Amendment right to do this. I'm an independent journalist and I take video, pictures, however you want to explain photography to people, of public officials in the course of their duties while they're in public. But then what happened, as I was standing all the way at that red pole, he didn't like it. These are your words. I'm paraphrasing his words. He went in, walked out, and said, ma'am, you're loitering. I said, no one in this business has had a problem. I haven't had an opportunity to buy anything yet. He went in to solicit the person inside to ask them to ask me to leave because he said it made him uncomfortable that I was videotaping them. But you being uncomfortable is not my problem. Your emotions are my problem. I can still videotape you in public while you're working. Now and then he said, I just want to know why. Why can you just tell me why? And he never asked me why. So then this kind officer, he came over and I explained it to him. I do this. Any officer who approaches me and asks me why, I'll explain it to them. So he tries to have me trespass. Then he said, is that your car over there? And I said, I'm not answering your questions. He said that I'm towing it then. So then he threatened to tow my car. So do you find all that
No,
to
it's
be
different on.
Is that policy? Should he identify himself? He didn't do that.
We don't really have that.
Is it?
It's already
It's a
on our
policy. No, it is. It's your policy.
Have you read our policy?
Yes,
No,
I have read your policy.
Where it says we have that.
Exactly.
Well, I'm thinking we already have it on the shirt.
Okay.
But
that is
regardless of
not
we're
everybody
we're
can
not
read,
taking an action
and I
on
can't
it.
memorize and read that.
We're not taking an action. You're fine with
There was no action to take. I didn't do anything illegal.
But-
He harassed me. He tried
Well,
to
no, that's
solicit.
not, that doesn't follow
That
the
is-
statute for harassment.
Following me around when he was trying to take care of a business, going in a private business, asking them to ask me to leave because he didn't like me being there. When this is a First Amendment protected activity, that is trying to prevent me from using my constitutional right to video view. It's unconstitutional.
You were loitering.
You need to learn that.
You were loitering.
It's not loitering because no one complained about me. I can hang
They
out here
did.
for an hour.
Would you like to talk to
If
them?
nobody in there cares, I can stay here all day. You went in trying to initiate a trespass.
We answer calls all the time here because people are loitering, and we handle that. It's a common thing.
We're not going to get to a new one.
We already had one.
Well, let's not get to another one.
I agree.
Okay. If they don't want you, you can't be here. If they don't say that you can't be here.
From my understanding, they didn't say I had to
But-
leave.
but
And I'm going to go in and buy
regardless,
something,
if we
and
go
I
in
am
and
going
ask
to
them-
leave.
They've already asked you to leave.
I'm leaving anyway.
Okay.
If we go in and ask them if they want to and they say no, then that's not against any policy or any statute.
I'll tell you what. Let's all go in there together.
No, they've already asked you to leave.
Wait a minute.
They've already asked you to leave. You want to push it?
Recognize me.
Listen, they've already said that you're not.
I was behind the pole. They never even saw me. They never saw I was here.
Okay.
It was wrong of you to do on a personal, moral, unprofessional level.
Well,
It's unprofessional as all of it because it makes you uncomfortable. It shouldn't interfere with my right to record you.
You're loitering, okay? Bottom line.
Bottom line, I'm leaving and you're leaving.
Okay, so leave.
Now don't talk to me like that, like you're ordering me around, because that's just trying to distort your perceived authority.
They've asked you to leave.
Am I on public easement right here? How many feet do you want me to be public easement where I'm allowed to talk to you?
ma'am,
Yeah.
let's stop. Let's not this.
Him ordering me, giving me directives
Well,
offends me.
At this point, they
I'm
have said
leaving.
they don't
I want to
you.
leave.
So leave.
You are so unprofessional, and it's terrible what you're doing on camera, because I can't imagine what you act like when you know you're not on camera. That's what's sad. That's why more people need to film y'all, period. And you'll leave.
Have a good day.
Oh, thank you for coming and assisting.
Don't.
7 years. Can you spell your name for me? I mean, because I do have vision problems, and I can't read it.
G-I-N.
Okay. I appreciate your professionalism. You need to improve on it.
So, I guess we should talk about this. Regardless